Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce resource usage with VMware easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your VMware application. Select the virtual machine you wish to optimize. Right-click on the virtual machine. Choose Edit Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Hardware tab, locate the Memory section. Assess the current memory allocation. Reduce the memory size if it's higher than necessary. Next, move to the Processors section. Check the number of virtual processors assigned. Decrease the number of virtual processors if possible. Now, navigate to the Hard Disk section. Review the disk space allocated to the virtual machine. Consider reducing the size if it's overly large. Scroll down to Video Card. Lower the graphics memory allocation if not needed. Check the Options tab for additional settings. Disable unnecessary features like 3D acceleration. Assess the network adapter settings. Change the adapter type to a more efficient option if applicable. After making changes, click OK to apply the new settings. Power on the virtual machine to observe performance improvements. Monitor the resource usage using VMware's performance tools. Adjust settings further based on your observations and needs. Regularly review and optimize as necessary to maintain efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.